Talofa lava, I'm Ato Plodzicki-Faoagali from Samoa and Tonai. It's a massive privilege to represent Samoa, represent my fatherland. I really love the people here and I can't wait to represent them again this year. Commonwealth Games was a great experience. The crowd, the cheering and the atmosphere was unreal. My parents came, my sisters, my aunties and uncles came and they watched me all the way to the finals, and every fight just got better and better. There were some sacrifices as well. Got cut across the eye, cut here and cut across the nose as well. Awesome memories. I got into boxing. First I was playing rugby league and rugby union and I just did it for fitness, and then I fell in love with the sport. There's a lot of consistency, especially with diet, nutrition, training in the morning and afternoon, morning runs or weights, and then in the afternoon we do boxing. You got to be very persistent. My heroes, first of all my father. He did boxing with me when I was 5 years old, so my father's probably one of the biggest influences. And David Tua, of course. Got to meet him last year. Very humble dude. It was a great honour to meet him. Yeah, Samoa boxing has improved a lot over the years. Mini games, Commonwealth Games, youth Commonwealth Games as well. Yeah, we just keep on improving. Samoa, we on.